Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, already we have completed the third problem. In the today's class, let us continue the last problem in the last main of the exercise 2.4. Look at the problem number 4. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. What is the question? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. They ask to find us the factors of this given problem. Now, let us take P of y is equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. What is the py? We are taken as py is equal to 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now we are checking through in the place of the x or in the place of the y, because they are given the p of y is equal to, they are given the y. In the place of the y, we are checking through the y is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1. Whether you are checking through 0 or 1 or minus 1, but you must get the answer is 0. You must get the answer is 0. Now checking through, first we are checking through the y is equal to 0. First we are checking through the y is equal to 0. Now here y, and what is the p of y? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Whether it is correct or incorrect? No or not? No or not? Now first, in the place of the y, we are taking the value 0. In the place of the y, we are taking 0. Now y is equal to 0, 2y, or you can, in the place of the y, you are taking the value 0, 0 cube plus 0 square minus 2, 0 minus 1. Wherever there is a y present, we are taking in the place of the y, we are taking the 0. We are taking the 0. Now 0 cube means 0. The number which is multiplied by 0, then number said to be a 0. Now 2y 0 cube means 0 plus 0 minus 0 minus 1. Now what is the value remains here? Minus 1 remains. Minus 1 remains. Now it is not, but it is incorrect, because we did not got the value 0, we got the value minus 1. We got the value minus 1. Now we are checking through the 1. We are checking through the 1. Wherever there is a y present, in the place of the y, we are using the value 1. We are using the value 1. Now 2 1 cube plus 1 square minus 2 1 minus 1. Look at the problem here. Wherever there is a y present in the given problem, in the place of the y, we are using the value 1. We are putting the value 1 or checking through the 1. Now 1 cube means 1. 1 into multiply 2 is 2, plus 1 square means 1, minus 2 into 2 is minus 2, last is the minus 1. Now add the plus sign on the one side. Plus 2 and plus 1 is plus 3, and minus 2 and minus 1 is minus 3. Here plus and minus cancels, remains 0. Remains 0. Now it is correct. Yes or not? It is correct. Here in the place of the y, if you are using the value 1, then you will get the answer is 0. It is the correct one. It is the correct one. Now, so at y is equal to 1 and p of y is equal to 0. So in the place of the y, you are using the value 1, so that p of y is equal to 0. Now p of y is equal to 0. Now y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Y comes in the right hand side, becomes the minus. Y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now I wrote directly y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Now we got the y minus 1 is a factor of p of y. Now we shall check through the, now look at the problem. Now p of y is equal to y minus 1 and g of y and g of y. P of y is equal to y minus 1 and the g of y. Now we have to find here g of y. G of y is equal to y minus 1 divided by the p of y. What is the problem? Now we have to find the quotient of the given problem by using the p of y and the y minus 1. Now we have to find the g of y. G of y is equal to y minus 1 by the p of y. Y minus 1 by the p of y. Or we can write as, p of y by y minus 1. P of y by y minus 1. Now what is the p of y? 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Now y minus 1 in the divisor side, y minus 1. Now if you are taking the 2y square, multiply the 2y square to the y minus 1. Multiply the 2y square to the y minus 1. 2y square plus 2y square, y is 2y cube, and 2y square minus 1 is minus 2y square. Now minus becomes plus and here minus. It 2y cube into 2y cube cancels. Now plus y square and the plus 2y square is the plus 3y square. Plus 3y square minus 2y. Minus 2y. Now here you are taking the plus 3y. Here you are taking the plus 3y. Now 3y into y is 3y square plus 3y square, and 3y into minus 1 is minus 3y. Minus 3y. Now minus become plus and here minus. 3y square and 3y square cancels. Now plus 3y minus minus 2y is 1y. 1y minus 1. You are taking the minus 1. Now if we are dividing through the plus 1, if you are dividing through the plus 1, 1 into y is 1y, and plus 1 into 1 is 1 into 1 is minus 1, and here plus and here also minus. 0 0 cancel. 1y and 1y cancels, and minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. You will get the quotient is equal to 2y square plus 3y plus 1. What is the quotient we got here? 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Now look at the problem here. Now p of y is equal to y plus 1. We got the p of y is equal to y plus 1, and what is the quotient we got here? 2y square plus 3y plus 1. This is the quotient we got here. Now by using the splitting the middle number method, we have to find the factors of the 2y square plus 3y plus 1. First you have to find the quotient factors of the 2y square plus 3y plus 1. Now here p of y is equal to, now what is the sum you have to get here? Sum is equal to 3. Sum is equal to 3, and product must be same. First term the last term, 2 into 1 is 2, and middle number is sum is equal to 3. Now if you are dividing or sum, if you are making the addition of the 2 and 1, you are taking the two numbers here by splitting the middle number method. 2 and 1. If you are taking the number 2 and the number 1, if you are making the sum of these two numbers, we will get the 3. We will get the 3. Or if you product it, we will get the 2 into 1 is 2. If you are making the product of these two numbers, we will get the 2. And if you are sum of these two numbers, you will get the 3. These are the two numbers are possible in the splitting the middle number method. Now we are taking y plus 1 and the 2y square plus 2y and plus 1y, last is the plus 1. Last is the plus 1. In the splitting the middle number method, we are splitting the middle numbers into two parts. Here sum we must get the 3 and product must be 2, because first and the last term, if I multiply these numbers, we will get the 2, if in the sum is equal to 3. If you are taking the 2 and the 1, two numbers, 2 and 1, if you are making the sum of these two numbers, we will get the 3, and if you are making the product of these numbers, we will get the 2. Now P of y is equal to y plus 1, and here 2y square and 2y. Here 2y is common and y plus 1. In the 2y square plus 2y is common. 2y is common and y plus 1. Now plus, we are taking the common 1y plus 1. Now we are taking the two numbers 2y and the 1y. Here in the 2y square plus 2y is common. 2y is common. Now 2y is bracket y plus 1 remains y plus 1. Here if you multiply these two numbers, 2y into y is 2y square, 2y into 1 is 2y. Again 1y plus 1. Here 1y plus 1, 1y plus 1, we are taking the common 1. We are taking the common 1. If you are taking the common 1, what is the remains here? Y plus 1. Here if you multiply 1 into y plus 1 is 1 into y is 1y. 1 into 1 is 1. We will get the 1. Now P of y is equal to, here y plus 1 and here common y plus and y plus 1 are common. Y plus 1, what is the remains here? 2y plus 1. 2y plus 1. Now P of y is equal to y plus 1 and the y plus 1, and last is the 2y plus 1. Here y plus 1 and the y plus 1 are common. If you are taking the common of this one is y plus 1. Here what is the remains here? 2y plus 1 is remains. Now P of y is equal to y plus 1 and y plus 1 and the 2y plus 1. These are the factors of the 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. These are the factors. These are the factors of the 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Before, when you are going to find the factors of these numbers, by using the checking through the x, in the place of the x you are using the value 0, 1 or a minus 1, I can use a 2 plus 2 you can use. But after the, when you get the quotient of these numbers, when you are getting the quotient of these numbers by dividing the y minus 1 by the given P of y, now lastly you will get the quotient. Now P of y is equal to, already we got the P of y is equal to y minus y plus 1, or what is the y plus 1, y minus, sorry, it is the y minus 1, it is the y minus 1 and y minus 1, these are the factors, and in a small mistake here sign changes, and P of y is equal to y minus 1 and y minus 1, the factors are y minus 1 and the y plus 1 and the 2y plus 1. These are the factors. It is the minus because P of y is equal to y minus 1. P of y is equal to y minus 1. These are the minus 1. Now, after you are getting the quotient, by splitting the middle number method, you must get the sum is equal to 3 and the product is equal to 2. By using the two numbers, 2 and the 1, if you are splitting the middle number, you will get the 2y and the 1y. Now, if you are making the factors of these numbers, you will get the P of y is equal to y minus 1 and y plus 1 and the 2y plus 1. In the next class, we will continue the remaining problems. Thank you.